Hi, Shorehorns. I'm here with Miss G. Miss G, what's the motivational word of the week that you want your students to know?
I think determination. Determination is a good word. I think it's an attribute that everyone should have throughout life, not just with school. So determination for sure.
What advice would you give to the students?
My advice to the students is to come to school and have fun, and always remember to be safe and keep your hands to yourself, guys.
Hello, I'm here with
Daniel. Annette. Iloni.
Jaden.
What's your all's favorite Halloween candy?
Gummy worms.
Twix and Sour Patch. Sour Skittles.
Sneakers.
What's y'all's favorite Halloween candy?
Twix.
Candy corn.
Snickers. Alright, what's y'all's favorite Halloween candy?
Today we have.
Natalie.
What is your favorite candy?
Skittles.
Why?
I like the flavor.
Never mind.
What is your favorite candy and why?
The sour airhead strips.
Why?
Because I just like the flavor and they taste good.
What is your favorite candy?
Airheads.
Why?
Because they taste good.
Thank you.
Hello, we're here with.
John.
What's your favorite candy?
Sour Patch Watermelon.
Why do you like Sour Patch Watermelon?
Because they're sour and they taste good.
Thank you.
Your favorite candy and why?
Sour Skittles and because they're sweet and sour.
Thank you.
What's your favorite candy?
Sour Patch Watermelon,
Why do you like Sour Patch Watermelon?
because they're sweet and sour.
Thank you. What's your favorite candy?
Sour Patch.
Why do you like Sour Patch?
Because they're like sour and sweet.
Thank you. What's your favorite candy?
The Cosmic Cookies and Cream.
Why do you like Cosmic Cookies and Cream?
They taste good.
What's your favorite candy?
Airheads.
Why do you like Airheads?
Because they're sour and then they're sweet.
Thank you. Hi, Shorehorns. I'm here with.
Alina.
And.
Juliet.
What's your guys' favorite candy and why?
The Haribo, like the twin snakes.
And why do you like them?
Because they're sour.
Okay. And what's your favorite candy?
White chocolate.
Why?
Because it's good.
Okay, well, that's a reason. What's your favorite candy?
Skittles.
That's so cool. What's your favorite candy?
Nerd gummy cluster.
I love those. What's your guys' favorite candy?
My favorite candy is probably Hershey's. My favorite candy is probably Sweet Tarts.
Yummy. What's your favorite candy?
Like the sour strips.
Oh, yummy. I love those.
What is your guys' favorite candy?
Hershey's.
Milky Ways, Sour Patch Kids.
Thank you.
What's your guys' favorite candy?
Airheads.
I love those. They're so yummy.
Hershey's.
I love chocolate.
Scarlett, Jasmine, Annette.
What is your guys' favorite candy?
Probably Sour Patch.
Airheads.
Hershey's.
Thank you.
What's your guys' favorite candy?
Nerd Clusters.
My favorite candy of all time.
Snickers.
Yummy.
What is your guys' favorite candy?
Skittles.
I like Skittles too.
Hershey's.
Okay, thank you. What is your guys' favorite candy?
Sour Patch Kids. Nerd Clusters. Skittles.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, Shorehorns. I'm here with Mr. Moreno. Mr. Moreno, what's your favorite candy?
My favorite candy or anything that is spicy, and by coincidence today, Mr. Lopez, your awesome band director, gifted me these awesome chili gushers, and he said, well, I heard you like a bunch of spicy candy. Sure enough, he got me the spicy candy.
I love spicy gummy candy too.
Why are you wearing this costume? It's because it's the trunk or treat this Friday. Haven't you heard? No, I really saw the sign. Well, it's this Friday, and I think you should come. They're gonna give free candy, there's gonna be snacks, raspas, all sorts of things. It's gonna be so much fun. Oh, so you're going? Well, of course. Why do you think I'm dressed up? Okay, then I'll go with you. Okay.
Hello, we're here with Natalie. What are you gonna be for a trunk or treat? Probably Tin Man from Wizard of Oz. Thank you. What are you guys gonna be for the trunk or treat? Hello Kitty. Soldier Boy. What are you gonna be for the trunk or treat? The Black Power Rangers.
Are you guys gonna go to the trunk or treat?
Yes.
Yes. What are you guys gonna wear?
I'm gonna be a pirate with one of my friends.
Probably be a pirate, I guess.
I'm gonna be a skeleton.
Oh yes.
What are you guys gonna be for the trunk or treat?
Let's go.
Michael Myers.
Chucky.
Are you guys going to the trunk or treat?
Yeah.
What are you guys gonna be dressing up as?
Jason Voorhees. A monkey.
A banana with David.
The Purge.
What costumes are you guys gonna be wearing at the trunk or treat? Dorothy.
Army. I want to be an army personnel.
I'm gonna be Lisa Simpson.
I'm gonna be a Bendy.
What costumes are you guys gonna be wearing?
I'm gonna be Sam from Trick or Treat.
Dexter Morgan.
I'm gonna have like a zombie costume.
Minions.
What costumes are you guys gonna be wearing?
I'm gonna be Dexter Morgan.
I'm gonna be Ghostface.
So are you guys gonna go trunk or treat on Friday?
Yes. Yeah.
What costumes are you guys gonna be wearing?
I'm gonna be Ghostface.
I'm gonna be Jigsaw.
What costumes are you guys gonna be wearing?
I don't know.
Pinkie Pie.
Nyan Cat.
I'm gonna go as Belle because I love to read.
What costumes are you guys gonna be wearing?
Scream.
Coraline.
Blue Teletubby.
It's Snow White.
What are you guys gonna dress up as?
I'm gonna wear a Goofy suit.
Ghostface.
A plague doctor.
Kendrick Lamar.
What are you guys gonna dress up as?
A clown.
A cheerleader zombie girl.
The Oogie Boogie Man from Nightmare Before Christmas.
A pirate.
Are you guys gonna go to the trunk or treat?
Yeah.
Yes.
What are you gonna dress up as?
A dinosaur.
Myself. The Squid Game doll.
Like a cowgirl kind of.
That sounds so cool. Hope to see you guys there.
Have you ever lost something? Well, it might be in the Lost and Found. Come to the front office and ask for the Lost and Found, and it might be there. Make sure to pick up your stuff or else it might get donated.